Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of my how-to series. Today we have a very simple exercise and that is running. We're going to learn how to run with proper form and technique. This is something that a lot of folks like to get into. Personally, I love to run and I think it's one of my favorite exercises. So let's go ahead and learn how to do it properly and let's go ahead and make sure we get right into it. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and get started. First up for running, we want to make sure we know how to breathe. Let's breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Give it a try. This is going to be everything when it comes to running. Let's go ahead and start moving. We're going to start moving nice and light, landing with our mid-foot, not our toes, not our heels, but our mid-foot. We want to make sure we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. And we're going to bend our arms, creating a 90-degree angle at the elbow. And we're going to start moving our arms, getting them involved. Once we're ready to get moving, we want to make sure we start leaning forward, keeping our trunk nice and straight, nice and tall. We lean forward. When we're ready to pick up and get going. Make sure you take this nice and slow. Find a cadence, find a flow. Land with your midfoot, which will help your foot land directly underneath your hip. And keep your arms from crossing each other. Keep your head and your chest up. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And that, my friends, is how you run. If you learned something new today, smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.